Alright, what's going on, guys? So before the video starts here, I edited this up. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's not too exciting in terms of not getting a turkey, but I tried to spice it up a little bit for you guys, make it look kind of cool. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, guys. We're here. Turkey season. Number 2. We're out here right now. Hearing a lot of gobbling. Just giving some calls out. We got the GoPro mount and the GoPro right here. So hopefully this year we'll get some footage for you guys instead of just me talking one-on-one with you. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna keep trying to call these boys in. We'll see if they want to play today. They're willing to play yesterday for my brother, but we'll see if they want to play today with me. Alright, guys, so right now it's not looking too good. Oh, he's right there now. He's right there. He is right there. So at this point in the video, you guys can see I said that things aren't looking too good, and they weren't. But then, like I said in the morning, there were some gobbles in the trees down below the hill that I was on top of, and I was hoping that they would start to come my way. And right after I said things weren't looking good, they happened to come my way. So I started to call them in, and as you can see here, I was kind of getting, a little excited. I thought maybe they were coming up over the hill into the field. And I called here, and in this next clip here, you're going to see me. I kind of think they're coming, but they never ended up coming up over that hill, which kind of stinks, but it is what it is. You're not going to call them in all the time. It's not their natural thing to do, and, it just sometimes happens that way, so. Going now. If I had to guess, he's over on the other side of this hill, strutting out right now, thinking I'm walking to him, but I'm not. I'm staying here. I want him to come to me. One thing I like to point out is I'm not wearing a face mask. I forgot it today, so hopefully that doesn't screw me over.
this here. So this is the third time turkey hunting in Zero. The other 2 times we got lucky with a bird each time, but third time wasn't a charm. So we'll keep waiting, and I'll catch up with you guys. But if I don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video or any of the other videos, go check them out on the channel. I do hunting, fishing, anything outdoors is my specialty. So hope you enjoy the video, and see you guys next time.